ANZAC Day. You know, you have to wake up to watch the ceremonies, or had been waking up by the gunshots, or at least eat some ANZAC biscuits. Otherwise, you're not doing it right. Hello everyone, my name is Renato Costa, this is Aussie Law, and today we're celebrating ANZAC Day and remembering the sacrifice of those who served this country. ANZAC stands for Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. That's the name given to the Australian and New Zealand soldiers who formed an allied expedition in April 1915 to conquer the Gallipoli Peninsula. If you didn't quite get the dates, we are in the middle of World War I, and Australia and New Zealand joined the war and sent troops to fight in Europe. The idea was to conquer the Gallipoli Peninsula to open the Dardanelles Strait to the Allied navies. This would allow Allied troops to access the Sea of Marmara and reach Istanbul in Turkey. It was supposed to be a quick conquest, but it was far from it. When the ANZACs landed on Gallipoli, they met fierce resistance from the Ottoman Turkish defenders. The fight endured 8 months, and more than 8,000 Australian soldiers were killed trying to defend the liberty that we enjoy today. Other wars came afterwards, and now ANZAC Day remembers the sacrifice not only of those who fought in World War I, but all of members of the military who sacrificed their life to serve the country. So ANZAC Day is a day to remember the ANZACs, the soldiers who died serving their country. The day itself is full of traditions. Since the ANZACs took Gallipoli at dawn, ceremonies are held in the first light of the day. The first commemorative event of ANZAC Day is the dawn service at 4:30 in the morning. The celebrations also include the gunfire breakfast and the ANZAC Day parade. There's also the tradition of eating ANZAC Biscuits. You see, during World War I, the families and friends of those who were fighting sent them food, but due to the circumstances and the conditions of war, the food needed to resist time and still preserve their nutritional value. That's how ANZAC biscuits were created. Initially they were called soldier biscuits or army biscuits, but today they're called ANZAC biscuits. By the way, I've left a recipe of it in the description of the video, just in case you want to try it for yourself. It's important to mention that the name ANZAC is protected by law, so it cannot be used irresponsibly. The main legal protection is the protection of word ANZAC regulations from 1921 by the Commonwealth. There's a document linked to the description of this video with the guidelines on how to use the word ANZAC. These regulations include restrictions on the use of the word for official or corporate organizations and also for commercial use. Right now I'm allowed to use the word because the purpose of this video is historical, commemorative and educational, so I'm safe. Well, as you can see, the law exists to protect the word ANZAC. The idea is to stop the misuse of this word and to guarantee that it's only being used in an environment of respect and dignity. But hey, I hope you will enjoy this ANZAC Day and remember the sacrifice of those who served this country. And if you want to do a good deed today, why don't you click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon, because then you know every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you again soon. Until then, ciao.